The Whipsaw Trail, over 150 kilometers of varied off-road terrain with rock crawling, mud holes, hill climbs, and technical sections, making it one of the most challenging and enjoyable off-road journeys in British Columbia. We completed the trail over the course of 2 days, during which we'd suffer near catastrophic breakage on 3 of our 6 vehicles.
Pull towards you a bit more.
We have a beautiful customized rain gear.
No threads.
Come along with my friends and I as I tell you the story of our journey through the Whipsaw.
It's Adventure Day. We're about to head out and do the Whipsaw. We're gonna leave at 3 o'clock. It's about 3:30, and Andy's Jeep doesn't have any wheels on it yet.
Surprise!
The mountain scenery on the Whipsaw is incredible. It's one of the reasons it's such a pleasure to drive. Knowing that a capable 4x4 is the price of admission makes you feel lucky to be able to take the journey. I've wanted to film this since I started the story till now.
Stopped into the lake here to get a little bit of lunch. About halfway through our first day of driving on the Whipsaw. So far, so good. Barbecue action. Hot dogs. They get hot dogs?
Yeah.
How good are they? The best hot dog you've ever had?
Depends.
Depends on what?
Uh-oh.
I don't know what the fuck that was. Nothing seems broke. The dry shaft seems fine.
Yeah, there's a bunch of chunks in there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh yeah.
There's one.
This could be a problem. The ring gear on Kim's front differential broke off several teeth. We'd have to find a solution to get him moving, or risk spending the rest of the weekend towing him out behind one of us.
Pinion's broken.
Right there on top.
Pull it towards you a bit more.
Yeah, but I think later on they discovered that, yes.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
He's
We
like,
have a beautiful
everything that
customized ring gear.
So we're taking out the ring gear so
It's
that
gone.
it can spin freely, right?
Yeah.
So it's not binding on those
No
missing
four-wheel
teeth.
drive, but it'll still spin a good amount. Oh, we need a little more at the bottom.
A little more speed, that's all.
That was sketchy though.
It was. What happened to these?
I don't know, dude.
Oh, you got that shit, dude. Go for it. A little more speed, that's all.
What? Welcome to Wells Lake. We made it. All day driving. That was a good pose.
Hello.
Getting the fire going?
Yeah.
Yeah. About to leave Wells Lake, just getting all packed up, do the final part of the trail, and then we'll be heading back home. It's been super fun so far. We've only broke one Jeep.
Yeah, but Did you turn it off or did it shut off?
I shut it off, but it was
Mud holes.
Mud puddles can be one of the most hazardous things to a 4x4. They're so tempting, yet they can be deceptively deep. If you hit them too hard, you risk getting water in the engine intake, completely disabling your truck.
What happened? Dove in too quick?
Yeah. I don't think I shut it off fast enough.
Yes.
Nah, you're tire deep. It's below the doors.
We're almost out of the trail.
You be able to pull them out backwards?
But I decided to go in a mud hole.
I think it's just gonna pull them into the ground, isn't it?
So yeah, coming up.
Yeah, you got it. Great catch. Perfect. Your nut's gone. There's not even any friction at all.
Everything, yeah, everything's right out of the housing.
Next.
Oh man. No threads. Pinion nut.
Smooth as a baby's bottom.
Woo!
Here's a rag.
This is what I broke. The rear drive shaft pulled off.
It had been a long day. The whipsaw had taken its toll on our rigs. Andy would need a new pinion nut to continue on, and it was getting late. We made the decision to skip a stop at Lodestone Lake and get to the highway as quickly as possible to retrieve the required parts. We'd have to get them back to Andy's Jeep so that he could get home. So would end our 2019 Whipsaw adventure. not without its share of memorable moments to be sure, and I hope you guys enjoyed following along through this video. My name's Sean, and this is the story till now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more adventures on the way. Thanks a lot, guys.